Guys, this weekend we're going to be making some bacon wrapped Oreo cookies. We're going to smoke them on the Ugly Drum smoker for just a little while and then throw them in the air fryer to get them nice and crispy. Stick around. I shouldn't like this shouldn't be a thing. Alright guys, so while our Ugly Drum smoker is warming up, I didn't put a whole lot of charcoal in there because all we're really doing is kind of cooking the bacon and getting some smoke into it. We're actually going to cook the bacon when we throw it into the air fryer, and you'll see that here in just a little bit. Hey guys, if you want to see a lot more of these kinds of cooks, check out hashtag Oreo Cookie Challenge right here on YouTube. There's a whole lot of different kinds of cooks and a lot of different ways that you can do with an Oreo, but this one, hashtag Oreo Cookie Challenge. Check out Big Rome and some of the other guys that have done this, wrapped an Oreo cookie with bacon. So some of the things you're going to need are a good sharp knife, bacon obviously, Oreos obviously, and your favorite seasonings. I'm going to use LoneStarBQ's SPG+Plus and some toothpicks. So let's go ahead and get started doing what we do. So we're going to pop open our Oreos. Fun fact, already opened these and had one myself. So we're going to take out about 2 dozen Oreos. And the reason for that is there's approximately 12 pieces of bacon in the package, and we're going to cut those in half so we can do 2 dozen. Cover those up, put those to the side so you don't eat them all. Alright, so we got our 2 dozen Oreos, put them on our fresh table. This is our fresh butcher paper table, so nice and clean. And I like to go ahead and cut the bacon while it's in the package. Just makes everything a little bit easier. About halfway. Good sharp knife. Cuts all the way through, makes life mo easy. Now you're probably guessing exactly how to do this, and you're probably guessing 100% correct. I wish I would have grabbed toothpicks out before I touched bacon, but there we go. So we're going to take our bacon and our delicious Oreo. We're going to wrap it all the way around, and you can actually stretch bacon. It does pull pretty easily. I like to wrap it to where the end is kind of on the edge, and then you just poke a little toothpick through it, and that one's done. So we're going to do the same exact thing to the rest of these, and we'll come back and show you what we do from there. Alright, so there actually wasn't exactly a dozen pieces in there. There's only about 10, so we only got 20 of the cookies wrapped. That means I'm going to have to eat 4 more while we're cooking, and that is going to be terrible for my weight. But let's go ahead and sprinkle some seasoning on these, and then we'll throw them over on the smoker. Again, we're not exactly trying to cook them on the smoker. We just want to get some smoke flavor in them. Alright, again with the flies. Just use your favorite shake, your favorite whatever you want to use. I'm just using mine because that makes sense. Flies. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and throw these in there. Let's get some smoke on them for about 30-45 minutes, and then we're going to throw them in the air fryer. Alright guys, so these have been on smoking for about 30 minutes. Let's take a look at them and see if they're ready to throw over here in our air fryer. So those look amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up, get the air fryer preheated, and we'll start taking them out a little bit at a time. We'll probably have to do it in like 3 batches because I don't make that cooking with CJ money and can't afford them big old ninjas. But I got a Power XL from Sam's Club on sale for cheap. So we're going to do a few batches of that right around 400 degrees. And just for 3 to 5 minutes and see how they turn out. I've never done this before, so let's go on this journey. So we got this bad boy preheating to 400 degrees, and we're going to go ahead and open up the Ugly Drum smoker. I'm going to pull out about 5 or 6 at a time for each cook process in the air fryer. I want to make I was actually able to fit about half of them in there. Take a look at those. That bacon's probably cooked, but I want it crispy. We're going to let it finish up 3 to 5 minutes. I'll check it here in just a few minutes, make sure we're not overcooking them. Let me get this lid back on so I don't lose control of my fire. So this has been in for about 2.5 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh man. I'm calling that done. I'm calling that, dude, that actually looks amazing. So the cookies got really soft, I'm guessing with the fat from the bacon. And so they're a little bit mushy. And then they were mushy, pulled them out of the smoker, but now I assume they're back to being a little more crunchy like a cookie should. And some of the edges are falling off. That's okay. It helps that cream ooze out of there a little bit. That's what she said. And I shouldn't like this shouldn't be a thing. But it is. This is a thing. And it's, I gotta tell you, it's smelling pretty amazing. It's looking pretty amazing. And I can't wait to try it. So let me get the rest of them in here. And I'm going to try one of these once they cool off. Last 10 going in the fryer. Alright, I can't wait anymore. These are still finishing up, but I got to see how this tastes. Take a look at that. Isn't that awesome? I can't wait anymore. These have cooled down some, and I can't wait to taste it. So here we go. Very hot. I can't explain it. There's nothing that tastes this way. First you get the SPG, and then you get that savory bacon flavor with the mesquite smoke from the B&B. I can't even talk, it's so good. From the B&B lumps and the charcoal. And then you get that crispiness from it being air fried. And then all of a sudden you get this burst of sweet, creamy filling. That's what she said. This is amazing, guys. Hashtag Oreo Cookie Challenge. This is Brisket Medic. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next. Drink more water.